Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify company news with General Electric Company. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify company news related to General Electric Company, start by searching for the official website of General Electric. Access the home page where you can find the latest information about the company. Navigate to the newsroom or media section, typically located in the footer or the top menu. Here, you will find press releases and official statements issued by General Electric. Look for any recent updates relevant to the news you want to verify. If the news pertains to financial reports, check the Investor Relations section. This section usually contains earnings reports, financial summaries, and other investor-related announcements. Once you find the relevant document, analyze its content for confirmation. Next, utilize reputable news outlets for further verification. Search for the same news story on recognized financial news websites. Compare the information from these sources with what you found on General Electric's official site. Look for multiple reputable sources confirming the same details for added accuracy. If the news involves regulatory filings, check the Securities and Exchange Commission website. Search for any filings related to General Electric for authoritative information. For social media verification, visit General Electric's official social media accounts. Verify the news against posts made on these platforms to ensure consistency. If you have doubts, consider looking up industry analysis or expert opinions. Lastly, remember to cross-check all facts before drawing any conclusions. This process will help you confidently verify any news related to General Electric Company. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.